Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, remove the screen protector and case on your phone. I don't have any of them. So next thing is to take a microfiber and just clean the screen. Wipe it off. Okay. Now you can just go into the settings, type in update, system updates, system update, and check for updates. Don't allow. Your device software is currently up to date, but if you have some updates, then just update it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.